Hi guys, your Punjabi chef is back. I was getting bored at home today, so I decided to treat myself with an Indian appetizer. I never imagined that fennel can be a star ingredient in a dish. So stay with me till the end to know what I'm cooking today. Let's start off cutting the chicken. I'll cut the chicken in half first. And then cut it into small cubes. Make sure the chicken and vegetable are of same sizes. We cut the onion into 4 parts and just remove the layers. Onion is done. Now I'll start off with capsicum squares. I'll cut the capsicum into 2 parts. Cut in the center. Remove the extra skin. Never throw away these wastages. You can use them for making stock. Let me finish off with the rest and then we'll start off making the marination. To begin for the marination, first we'll chop off fennel leaves. With that, fennel stalks. First we'll press them like we do it for celery. Slice them up. This will give a lot of flavor to the tikka. For the marination, first I'll heat the pan. Next I'll add oil. Now I'm gonna add turmeric. I'll switch off the gas. I don't want to burn the turmeric. I'm just gonna heat it up. This will give a nice saffron color to my tikka. Now we'll start off with the marination. I've taken curd in the bowl. First I'm gonna add fennel sticks. With that, fennel leaves which we chopped, saffron water, ginger garlic paste. With that, I'm gonna add the spices. First, Garam Masala, red chilli powder, black pepper powder, cumin powder, roasted fennel seeds powder. Green, at least 2 tablespoons. With that, the turmeric oil, and last, salt. I'm gonna mix it nicely. I want a nice saffron color. To give more crunchiness and thickness to the tikka marination, now I'm gonna add chickpea flour. This will give nice thickness to the marination. Check out the thickness. The marination is ready. Now we'll put the chicken in the marination. Nicely mix the chicken with the marination. Now I'll let the chicken rest in the marination for at least half an hour. Then we'll start off with the grilling. Guys, let me tell you a fact about fennel. It belongs to carrot and parsley family. It is highly aromatic and flavorful herb. It is often used for cooking and desserts in cultures of India, Afghanistan, Iran and Middle East countries. The stalk and the bulbs are used for cooking and the seeds are used as herb. Now I'll put it on the skewer. First I'll take one skewer, put one onion in the base. With that, I'll pick up one chicken piece and put it in. Now I'll take one capsicum and follow the same procedure for the rest. Skewers are ready. Now I'll heat the pan, add oil. As the oil starts heating up, put it on low flame And now we'll put the skewers one by one. Always cook the tikka on a low flame so that the chicken gets nicely cooked and the chicken doesn't get burned. You have to cook the chicken on all sides for at least 5 minutes. My chicken is almost ready. Now I'll baste it with butter so that the chicken remain moist and juicy. And it is also said that butter or clarified butter, which is ghee, makes the chicken more juicy and brings more flavor in the chicken tikka. My kebab is ready. Now I'll just squeeze one lemon. Let it cook for just 1 minute and then we'll do the plating. So guys, my Sufiyana Chicken Tikka is ready, or I should say Fennel Chicken Tikka is ready. I'll garnish it with fennel. There you go. Enjoy it with mint chutney or tamarind chutney. So guys, I hope I've added some spice to your boring Tuesday. This is Chef Prateek signing off. I'll see you soon in the next episode. Till then, take good care and goodbye.